Hello everyone and welcome to Kokkola Venetsia Drifting round 2 this year. We already had round 1 before, which we won, so it went pretty good. But this time we have over 50 drivers. It's also an NEZ competition. Drivers from the Baltic countries, a lot of them, so it's gonna be a lot tougher than last year. The weather at the moment is looking pretty nice, but forecast is actually rain and very cold, so we'll see that we are really going towards the winter and we only have few events left, so let's make this a good one. Everything is ready, car is okay and boys are preparing the car. And the practice is ongoing, as you may hear in the background. Now I'll just go and see for it for a while and then it's our time, so let's see how it goes. First practice done. It was okay, a bit slippery still. And now we're trying the new tire, Extreme. We have 3 of those, so first time. Not sure if it's the track. Still, there's not any rubber there, or is it just the tire? But it was a lot more slippery than the Valino for now. But we'll see. There's a second practice. So it started raining, so we'll see. Could be a bit sketchy. So the practice is done. It went okay. Sometimes it rained, sometimes it didn't, so it's gonna be tricky and we don't know what it's gonna be for qualifying. Now it seems it's gonna dry just before our run. Well, the first runs have been a little bit wet, so we'll see how it goes. Car feels good and everything's great.
Varsinkin jos ensimmäisessä vedossa on saanut pisteet. Sitten on tietysti määrättyä kuskia, vaikka jos ekalla vedolla saanut pisteitä, niin ei varmistele tokallakaan, mutta ensimmäinen clipping pointti täydellinen, ei varmasti vähennetä pisteitä. Toinen löytyy hienosti, kolmas löytyy aivan täydellisesti. Sitten tullaan 4, katsotaan ollaanko muurilla ajoissa, ollaan muurilla ajoissa, ollaan loppuun asti. Risteysalueella ylitys, omalla kulmalla 5 löytyy hienosti. Sitten mennään jälleen muurille, 6 ollaan hyvissä ajoin. Ei semmoista ylimääräistä korjausta, hirveä raivo, siitä risteyksen yli, 7-klipille, kerrasta boksiin, pikku korjaus. Tää on yli 90 pisteen veto.
Tää oli mahtavaa. Jos mulla ei olisi kuullutkin, niin mä tekisin mic dropin tässä vaiheessa.
Joo, tästä on heittää mikin lattialle ja lähtee tauolle. Juha Rintanen on ihan mielettömän kova kuski, varsinkin täällä Kokkola-puistossa.
Oh, it went pretty well for a first run. 93 points. Just a small little adjustments, nothing major. We'll try it for the second run, but again it's raining a little bit, so we never know what's gonna happen. At least we got some points and pretty sure we're in, so looking good.
Ja nousee 31. Sander Kellner on huomenna ajamassa.
Sander Kellner grabs 50 points.
Artur Fedins putoaa 33. Nyt Juha Rintanen lajittelun 99,9% varmuudella voittava kuljettaja omassa toisessa lajitteluvedossa. Katsotaan mitä saa. Ensimmäisellä vedolla 93 pistettä Rintanen. Ja kyllä tämä ajolinja edelleen on ihan semmoista priimaa. Vähän korjausta. Kulmatuomari kyllä rokottaa tuosta ylimääräistä. Ei Juha Rintanen ei paranna.
Ei parannella yhtään sentään. Siellä oli jo tässä vaiheessa nelosklipin alueella vähän liikaa korjaamista. Ja jopa kolmosklippi meni melkein jopa vähän liian syvälle sisälle, että olisi ollut vaikeaa seurata.
Kyllä.
Mutta Juha on turvassa.
On turvassa korkeimmalla korokkeella ja sieltä häntä ei kukaan tiputa pois.
Ja niin kuin sanottiin jo aikaisemmin, niin kuin driftingissä toimii, niin sulla on se etu, jos sä oot lajittelusta parempi.
Joo, ja reipasta vauhtia pois radalta.
So the qualifying is now done. We won the qualifying with 93 points. So it's great. We did like a hat trick 3 times in a row here in Venetsia drifting. We got a bit lucky though, because for the first run it was completely dry and some of the drivers didn't have dry in both runs, so it went pretty good. For the second run it was wet. I did some more mistakes. Anyways, in the dry it was. I love this track, driving on the dry. So wish for good weather tomorrow, but the forecast seems very bad. But we'll see. Everything is working, so it's a nice event. A lot of drivers, a lot of good drivers. We'll see tomorrow how it goes. So see you then. Training is done and now it's time for race. We got the rain again, so bummer, but what can you do? We'll see how it goes. There's a top 32 introduction, then straight to competition and with the first pair, so yeah, we'll see. Driving with Juho Piri, Finnish driver with the Mercedes, so see how it goes. See you there. So we're back home again. The race is now over. The race went pretty okay for us. It was a bit wet. It wasn't dry completely. Like the first runs were dry, but then just the weather got ugly and it was very slippery for everyone. This was something I was afraid of also because I knew we couldn't match the speed for some guys on the wet. So like in top 4 I drove against Knick-Knack and his car was very fast on the wet, and I made a couple mistakes chasing him when I tried to catch up, so that ended our competition. But we got 3rd still, which is great. So we won the qualifying, was 3rd in the race, so still can't complain. It was a nice race and awesome event like always. A lot of good drivers. So pretty happy about that. The car is still in one piece, fortunately, so we don't have a lot to fix. The next is Poland Drift Masters in, I guess, 3 weeks from now. So we'll be ready there. That will be our last competition for this year, at least in Europe. We'll see. And our new car should be arriving around Poland. So after the race, I think we might even have some interesting news for you on what the new car is. So follow us to get the updates. Follow the channel and like the video, and we'll see you again in another video. Bye.